Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So guys, today we'll be sharing with you 3 ways we use aloe vera for maximum hair growth. Aloe vera has been a big part of our hair growth journey, so we'll be sharing with you guys 3 different ways to use it. The first way that we use aloe vera is by making our super viral aloe vera hair growth oil. Guys, we've been using this oil for over 2 years. This oil consists of just 4 ingredients that are very potent on their own, but even better when combined. The ingredients we used are 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, we then went to add 2 tablespoons of black seeds, of course we had to add at least 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary leaves, and lastly we added 6 to 8 cubes, which is technically a quarter of fresh aloe vera. Guys, feel completely free to peel off the skin of the aloe vera. I honestly couldn't be bothered. We then all went to add our carrier oils. So today we will be adding 30 ml of extra virgin olive oil. We then added 30 ml of pure almond oil. And lastly we added 20 ml of castor oil. Once your oils are added in, mix everything in and then double boil on heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you double boil on low heat. After double boiling and once your mixture has cooled down, you can then strain out the oil. A clean wig cap or cheesecloth can be used to do this. Now your hair growth oil is ready for use. You can refer to these 5 ingredients as a powerful combination because they are packed with a variety of holistic nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. Apply this oil by using the oil dropper and gently massage it into your scalp. This oil can be applied on the body of your hair and worked through from your scalp to your ends. It can also be applied every 2 to 3 days. Also guys, this is a water-based oil. It would need to be stored in the fridge and used within 2 weeks. The So today we'll be making an aloe vera hair butter. Aloe vera over the years has really been essential in our hair growth journey. So we decided to make a hair butter out of it, and we have to say, this might just be one of our latest favorite products. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. The first ingredient we'll be using in our aloe vera hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using 5 tablespoons of raw unscented shea butter. This is to create the formulation of the hair butter. The second ingredient we'll be using for this hair butter is aloe vera powder. Guys, we'll not be using fresh aloe vera today. We'll be using aloe vera powder. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera powder. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is moringa. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. The fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. And lastly, we'll be using in 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and makes the hair follicles healthy and strong. It also helps to stimulate hair growth and reduces the buildup of sebum. Once you have all your ingredients in a jar, now it's time to double boil it. Now you're going to gently place your jar into boiling water on low heat, and might I emphasize, low heat, not high heat. Now you're going to mix in thoroughly your mixture and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. Mix it in until you can see that the butter is fully melted. After 20 minutes, you can then switch off your stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Aloe vera is so great because it improves the life of your hair follicles. It encourages your hair to grow due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Additionally, aloe vera strengthens the hair, making it less prone to breakage and encouraging longer and stronger strands. Once your mixture has cooled down, it's time to strain it. Today, we'll be using a wig cap to strain it. Now you're going to strain and transfer your mixture into a clean container or jar. This is going to help to store your hair butter. Now to store, you're going to place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. And by the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. Your hair butter can also be whisked into a butter souffle if that's what you want, and that gives it a more fluffy texture. Now, this aloe vera butter is not only super easy to make, but also super effective in growing and thickening your hair, as well as healing our scalp issues. How to use? This hair butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can then be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. It can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and to seal your ends. We would advise this hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. The second way we use aloe vera is our aloe vera hair tea. This hair tea went super viral, guys. We also made this 2 years ago and we have been using it consistently. For our hair tea, we paired aloe vera with another Ayurvedic hair growth giant, which is cloves. These 2 potent ingredients will strengthen your hair, it will promote hair growth, it will help with all those bald patches that you have, and it will reduce hair fall. The method of applying aloe vera plays an important role in enhancing its advantages. Aloe vera improves the life of your hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Alanine, a chemical compound that is in the aloe vera plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth. Also, aloe vera soothes your scalp from itchiness and dandruff. It's also majorly known as an amazing moisturizer as it locks in moisture into the hair. Aloe vera is so amazing on its own, but it is even more powerful once infused into recipes like this. The shelf life of the aloe vera hair tea is 5 to 7 days, and it should strictly be kept refrigerated. This hair tea can be used 1 to 2 times a week. It also can be used as a leave-in treatment that is eventually rinsed out. This is one of the most simple but effective recipes we have ever made. There's a reason why this video went viral when we uploaded it 2 years ago, and up till date we always return back to this recipe. To apply the hair tea properly, it will be best to section your hair into 4 or more. Proceed to spray the aloe vera hair tea on the scalp of your hair whilst massaging it in for several minutes. This will make your hair slightly damp, but you do not need to rinse it out. So guys, these are the 3 ways we have used aloe vera to grow our hair over the past few years, and we have seen tremendous results. Do try out the recipes and let us know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.